Welcome back to NatureCoach. Today, we're diving into a hot topic, oils. Which oils are best for your health and which should you avoid? Stick around to get the full scoop, and if you're looking to make healthier choices, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more tips. First up, let's talk about seed oils like rapeseed and soybean oil. Often marketed as healthy, these oils are actually high in omega-6 fatty acids, which can lead to inflammation when consumed in large amounts. Many experts believe these oils have become overly processed, making them more like industrial byproducts than healthy food ingredients. And when used for cooking at high temperatures, they're definitely not ideal. Next, we have avocado and olive oils, often hailed as some of the healthiest oils. They're packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and heart-healthy fats that do wonders when used cold on salads or as a finishing oil. However, these oils aren't well suited for high-heat frying. Why? High temperatures can cause their unsaturated fatty acids to oxidize, leading to a process called peroxidation. When they're oxidized, the oils can lose their beneficial properties and even form potentially harmful compounds. So which oils should you actually be cooking with? Coconut oil and butter are great options. Both are rich in saturated fats, which are more stable at high temperatures, making them ideal for frying. If you're cooking at very high heat, go for ghee, also known as clarified butter. Ghee has a high smoke point and doesn't break down as quickly, making it one of the safest options for high heat cooking. When choosing olive oil, make sure it's the real deal. Look for extra virgin on the label and check for certifications that guarantee quality. Some olive oils on the market are actually mixed with cheaper oils, which reduces their health benefits. Real olive oil is worth the investment. To recap, steer clear of seed oils like rapeseed and soybean oil, save avocado and olive oil for cold dishes, and choose coconut oil, butter, or ghee for cooking. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated with more health tips. See you next time on NatureCoach.